it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video. We're going to be unboxing our September Magic Candle Company subscription box. Now, I pay for these myself. I pay for them 3 months at a time, and they are $24.99 a month. This is a subscription box that is based on Disney scents, and they send you a candle, a room spray, a car air freshener, and some of the the Scentsy cubes. So I love getting these. It helps bring me back to Disney, which y'all know is my favorite place. Now, we are posting this on a Sunday because there has been so much new makeup and stuff that has come out that it's kind of taken over. But I still wanted to do the unboxing of this because, again, Disney and makeup are like my two favorite things in the world, and anything that can remind me of Disney World, heck yeah, I'm all in. So, as you can see, the box comes like this, and it actually comes in like a FedEx envelope on the outside, and then it is packaged just like this. So as you can see, it says Magic Candle Company, and I'll try to link them down in the description box. So this actual box looks like a little cute suitcase. So when you open her up, everything is all nice and bubble wrapped. So the scent this month is Walt's Office. So I'm not sure if that's supposed to be part of, not the Carousel of Progress, but the Walt's Life One Man Dream, if that's supposed to be like the ride. Because I've never been in Walt's office, but we shall see. So as you can see, you get a cute little felt car air freshener. My husband loves having those in his car because, again, even though I'm a big Disney freak, so is he. Now, oh, and see, it's brown. Oh, that smells good. It does have like a very masculine scent. And one thing I do love about their candles is you'll notice it has a wood wick on it. So when you burn it, it sounds like a fireplace. So I love that. And it smells so good. It has like almost like a chocolatey kind of smell. So it says it is delightfully rich, warm, and spicy aroma of a cured pipe tobacco. The fragrance adds touches of clove, honey, rose, and violet to perfectly cured tobacco leaf, and contains nuances of vanilla, hay, benzoin as in the base notes. It smells good. I don't get tobacco from it, but because it doesn't smell like a nasty cigarette. But so cute. And like, even if you look, there's, I don't know if it's gonna focus on that, but I'll see if it'll, like, you can see on here that it has like his desk. It's so cute. And then you get the Scentsy, or the wax melts. Now the wax melts do have a little bit more of a tobacco-y scent, but not much. And then last but not least is the room spray. And we love having these around. These last so well. So yeah, they smell divine. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. I typically post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but with all the new stuff that's come out, I've been posting almost every single day. Don't forget to check me out on all my social media: Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But I guess that's it, so we shall see y'all tomorrow. Bye.